I know, right?
Oh, well, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, I didn't know what the fuck that was.
Are you serious?
I just painted it this week because I struck it as close as the bloody I need to. You don't track your front end on.
I don't know. I followed the trail, you know, and I taken it off a long time and didn't know the
Yeah.
See that bitch on there.
What, you gotta take that away?
I don't know. Check the air filter?
Yeah.
Get the cooler strapped to the back. It's fucking genius.
That's what your dad was.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Probably like a 150 or something. It's a Howlet. Yeah, rear swing arm. Yeah.
Bed frame, the front one.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, put the slots for the bed.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't start fluid around.
Start fluid, just up a little gas in the car. Who needs that?
I love it. Everyone comes prepared with a cooler.
Wow, you get a good breeze too.
That should be on one of those Twisted Tea bottles. Christ, the more I walk around, the more lawnmowers I see. Yeah, do any of them actually mow lawns? Probably not.
Yeah, Joe Camel couple right there.
That's awesome.
Holy crap, look at the chain, you got to pull it out.
Oh yeah, we got more over here.
Yeah. Look at this, look at that.
Rear engine rider. These are like wheelie machines, man.
I wonder if he gets good traction. That's a big old battery. Oh, look at that stack on it.
I know, it's ridiculous.
It doesn't break off the engine.
It's crazy. That's what I always worry about with stacks, is if you roll them over, snap that casting right off the engine.
Yeah.
Done. The Bolins.
Look at the latch on it, that's tight. It's got a window latch on the hood. Keep
That's
it down.
awesome.
That way it's not bumping up.
Yeah, no, it's awesome.
Quick release. That's a good idea.
I didn't want to break it.
Cool dog. exhaust tip.
You can do everything with it. Even do your shopping on the phone.
Done with school time. Getting out now.
We brought it back to life. Who made the mud jack down there?